What's up, y'all? So I haven't seen y'all boys in a minute. It's been like, what, 2 days since I last uploaded? I don't know, but your boy back, son. And today should hopefully be a banger, because today, if the title above or below my head say, no more rev limiter, just know your boy finna go cop some new injectors. I'm just waiting to hear back from this guy. They're 1000cc FIC injectors. Shout out to my man Max for picking up my 775s to run on his all motor setup. So you know what? Everyone finding deals on wheels, baby. So let's get today started. If I don't pick up the injectors this video, then obviously this title isn't going to be called No More Rev Limiter. But we're going to start the process of getting the car ready for paint, because I have literally like 4, maybe 5 days until we take the car in for paint. So I gotta put the hood pins on. I'm gonna have to cut a piece of maybe this side or this side, I can't remember right now, out of the hood in order to fit the turbo, because hashtag top mount, hashtag big turbo. Then after the hood is situated, I have to put on the new fenders, and also I have to raise the car up. And then that's it, boy. Then we take Christina in for paint, and then I can finally say I have a clean Integra. Again. So I guess the title stays, boys. We're on our way to pick up the fuel injectors. I'm excited. I hope they're not like messed up or anything. I am buying them off OfferUp. Hopefully they're alright. If not, just gotta get them cleaned by my man Eddie. But yeah, let's go get these injectors, son. Yee! So I made it to the spot. Meeting up at Publix, I guess. Got the bread. Oh, he's in the back of Publix. Alright, so well, I guess we're driving to the back of Publix. Got those injectors, boy! That's probably like one of the best buying and selling experiences I've ever had. I just met one of the coolest dudes, dog. Dude named Jason, cool dude driving Integra. Bro, it was just a good experience, man. So I'll probably have some cool dudes on that mug. Den of Thieves. I had to make a quick trip to Lowe's. Got to pick up some washers for my splitter to even it out, because my splitter is making like a swoop design, like it's going like this, so I gotta make sure it goes like that. So it came to Lowe's, because Lowe's got washers for 80 cents. But all right, let's get out of here. Let's get home and put these new injectors on and see how much I can't drive my car anymore. Woohoo! God. But you guys see my splitter problem, how it's going up. Just a little bit, just a couple more washers, it'll work. But it's better than what it was before. But yeah, the splitter like swoops up a little bit. You probably can't even notice it. Maybe I'm tripping. But man, Christina looking good. We just got back home. Who's we? Huh? All right, boys. Just got back home from Lowe's, and right here, what I got in my hand. Wow, boy, look at that, son. Fuel injector clinic, new fuel injectors, boy. These are 1000cc injectors, bro. Yeah, let's get these injectors in the car, boy. He did tell me that these sat for a while, so I mean, I probably have to have them cleaned by my man Eddie. But other than that, let's slap them in, son, so I can send those off to my man Max. Let's do it. We're gonna start by loosening up the fuel pressure regulator off of the fuel rail itself. Get these injectors out. They're both 10 millimeters. Alright, so we got the injectors out of the intake manifold. They're still on the fuel rail, but that's good because I don't feel like loosening that for the freaking fuel line. So what I'm gonna do is just wiggle them out and put the new ones in. And yep, shouldn't take me too long. I would film the whole process, but like I kind of wanted to just do it and get it out the way instead of just filming different angles. And I know I'm gonna get back to a YouTuber, bro. You shows everything. I understand, but it's fuel injectors, baby. Y'all know, All right, so I just finished up putting on the new fuel injectors, boy. Now I don't know if it'll crank, but they in, boy. They is in. Max, your injectors are right here, playboy. 775, boy. They coming your way, son. They is coming your way. Ah, what a day. No more rev limiter, boys. No more. Randy, bro. Hey, Randy, bro. Might have smoked you, son. All the times you embarrassed me, bro. You beat me like 40 times. The day is over. Tonight, I'm running you. I'm running. I'm gonna ask you guys a question. Should I tune the car after or before I go in for paint? Now, I'm going for paint in like 4 days, so I don't know if I should tune now or tune after I get it painted. I don't know, kind of debating. I don't know what I should do. I know the entrance to Genesis Automotive is a little too steep for your boy now, and I don't want to crack no splitter or something like that, so I don't know if I should just go now and tune or just tune after I get it painted. What you think would be the most smart idea to do? I ask y'all input because you know your boy is stupid, so. All right, got my keys. Let's see if we see any fuel leaks. Let's see. Nope, let's see if it starts. Probably not. Alright, got the ECU exposed, got the laptop out. I'm gonna plug in this cord into the ECU and then change the fuel on the Honda and see what happens, B. So I just tried to crank it and it sounded like it wanted to crank. I should have filmed it, but hopefully it does it again. Sorry, I put the camera back on. See? Sound like it wants to crank, boy. Just probably needs fuel. Oh damn, I think I broke it. Alright, so now I'm in Honda. We're gonna go to don't I gotta download the tune, I think? I'm pretty sure. Where is it? Is it parameters? Yeah, boy, parameters. Yeah, so I have to download the tune. Alright, so I go to online. Now I go to download. I go to little download action. Yeah. Hit that, yeah. Alright, download this bad boy right here, son. And then we go to, well, you guys can't even see none of this stuff. So we go to fuel injectors. We're up it from 775 to 1,000, baby. 1,000, stock block 1,000. So now that's reading, you can't see none of this. So now that's reading 1,000. Click the little arrow up top for upload. And then let's try to crank it. Let's see what happens. Ugh. God damn it. Gotta call in reinforcements.
Hello?
Jason, my boy.
Wow, you still alive, man?
What you mean am I still alive? Just got off the phone with Jason. He told me to use some brake clean, spray inside the throttle body and see if it'll start. If it does start, that means the injectors aren't firing properly or something. I don't know, I forgot what he told me. But if it don't start at all, that means they're probably locked up and gotta get them cleaned or whatever. Because they sat for a while, so it comes when you buy used parts. My mom's helping me. Don't crank it yet. Hold up. I'm trying to film it and do it at the same time. Crank it. Are you putting your foot on the gas?
I'm putting my foot on the clutch and crank.
You don't gotta put your foot on the clutch, ma. Put your foot on the gas too. Like, okay, yeah, do that while you're cranking it, all right? Let off. All right, go ahead, crank it. Do it again. Gas it, hold it, gas it. Ugh. Jesus. Try to crank it again. You on the gas? Alright, so the car do start with the new injectors, which is awesome. I just gotta get them clean. So Eddie, if you're watching this, they will be coming your way very shortly. But the car do want to crank though, so that's good. I guess I just got one of the injectors are either locked up or something because it sounds really bad, like really bad. Like I'm gonna show you guys. Before I blow my car, I'm gonna just show you guys how it sounds. So the only thing I gotta do now from here is just get the injectors clean. I can't drive the car no more, so I gotta send these out right away. Probably send them off tomorrow. Max, if you're watching, I'm gonna send your injectors off tomorrow as well. So I'll send both of these off to different locations. One going south, one going north. But other than that, boy, we good. No more rev limiter, boy. Woo-woo! Well, I don't know what else to film for today. I am expecting a package from Mark, which is known as Honda Street Garage here on YouTube and Instagram. He sent me out a shift linkage I've been needing for a while, and he also threw something else in there, which he said is a surprise. So when that comes in, I guess I'm gonna show y'all then the day after, which would be tomorrow or whatever. You get another upload, daily uploads for like 4 days straight. Gotta get this car ready for paint, so each day is gonna be like a paint prepping type day. UPS man came for your boy. Shift linkage. Just got that package from my man Mark, son. Let's see what, well, I already know what it is, but let's see this extra surprise he threw. Alright, boy, we got our shift linkage. Now, he included this. I have no idea what this is. Alright, let's see what this is. I suck when it comes to unboxing stuff. I really do. Oh, this is a shift knob? Feels like a shift knob. I think it is a shift knob. My boy sent me extreme weighted shift knob. What is it, Skunk 2? It's probably a Skunk 2 knob. This thing is hella heavy. Jesus. Well, hey, bro, I appreciate this, bro. Thank you so much. If you guys are interested in checking out my dog, Mark, link down below. But come tomorrow, it's going to be dedicated to my man, Honda Street Garage. Tomorrow's video going to be strictly dedicated to my man, Mark. Yo! So that's the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I feel like the light was off when I did that. But I ain't going to do it again because I just ate these hot wings and like my stomach is like boiling. It felt like Shark Boy and Lava Girl down there having a ball. But that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you can, smack that like button for me one time. Because no more rev limiter. Even though I'm out of commission with my car until I get injectors cleaned and sent out and all whatever foolishness. Who good? But thank you guys for watching. I ain't gonna leave this outro out for too long. Because you know I be rambling and rambling and rambling and rambling and rambling. Also, I need y'all input. What kind of colors you guys want to see on some stickers, man? Like, I want to change it up, add more colors. Or you want to see oil slick, black, red? Let me know. Comment down below the colors you want, son. I can order them things up and get it real cracking like and smooth. And other than that, I think that's pretty much it for this video. I'll catch you guys tomorrow with another upload. Daily uploads for like a week, son. Well, actually, I upload every day, so I've been daily uploading for like 3 years now. So that's what I do. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.